Hi, my name is Alan Soul. I just spent 2 days at Mohammed's boot camp. Learned a lot more about LinkedIn than I have before, but more importantly, learned a lot about using the social media tools. I think this would be a valuable seminar for anybody who's looking to get back in the job market very quickly.
I thought it was an excellent course. Muhammad was right on point. I learned a lot of new things. It was definitely worth the time to take the 4 hours out of my day to come here. I'm going to start utilizing some of those processes and techniques. I recommend it. It's definitely worth your 4 hours. Take the class.
Mohammed's seminar today was phenomenal. It provided a lot of real-world applications that I haven't seen yet to date, and ways you could put into today's job search in order to be more productive and land a job quicker.
Hi, I did Mohammed's boot camp today, and the class was very informational. I haven't been looking for a job for 20 years, and basically the market has changed so much, and if you do not get the tips and tricks that you learned from the 4-hour session, I would have probably never found another job in the job market today. So very informational, and I look forward to the boot camp that's going to be in the next few weeks.
Thank you.
My personal opinion about today's seminar was just fantastic. I'm walking over with a lot of pages of notes, and I actually just re-entered the job market, and I just completed a full month of seminar really at Harrison. But I'd say what I've gotten here today so far outweighs what I've been getting from the past month so far. So that's the reason I'm walking away really, really excited and looking forward to the next few days for sure.
My name is Patrice Pecoraro, and it's been my pleasure to be a part of this one-on-one training with Mohammed. I've been impressed with his candor. I've also been impressed with the new information on keywords, new information on formatting my resume, and also problem action results and skills. I think that my job search will be more focused, more consistent, and more successful. And it's been a pleasure.
Okay. What have you learned about the use of social media and optimizing social media?
I have learned that I need to expand my scope and need to add more value and brand to my presence on social media. I need to reach out and to target specific companies and publish articles and enhance my blog, which I created as part of this session.
Okay. Thank you, Patrice.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bruce Bloom, and I just spent 2 days in Mohammed's boot camp Career Success, and we did a lot on social media. I learned so much on LinkedIn that I never knew before, and how to use it with Twitter and about.me. And I think this would be absolutely terrific and valuable for any job seeker who wants to really be able to effectively manage their career.
So much for the presentation today. It was something that I thought was very beneficial. I know what to do now with my job search. I have a goal in mind. I'm going to get a job in the next 30 days.
Hi, my name is Fred Krivler, and I just spent the last 2 days in Mohammed's 2-day boot camp. I really enjoyed the part where he delved so deeply into LinkedIn. Everybody talks about LinkedIn as a tool, but very few are really using it to its potential. And I really encourage this 2-day workshop.
Hi, my name is Marcia Gordon. I just went through the 2-day boot camp, and I'm very excited about the new possibilities of finding a job in different ways than I've looked before, and think it's going to be very successful. Met a lot of good other professionals that are working on the same type of activities to find a job, and learning about Twitter, which I've never been involved in before, has been, I think, will be very much of a benefit to me, and I look forward to, in the next few months, finding that job that I really want.
It was a terrific experience, very real-world applications, and not just the same old stuff repackaged that we've all seen before. It was very, very useful. It was a terrific experience and well worth the 3-hour investment.
Thank you.